finally, the much awaited news about July 2020 exams has finally come. So ICI has announced how you can go about these exams. There is a much complex notification that I'll be dealing about in detail. So let's dive in the video. So ICI gives you two options. All those who have submitted your online exam application in the month of July 2020, you have just two options, either go for it or opt out. Now I'll be dealing with the first case, that is in case you decide that you want to go for it, you want to go for the exams, then in that case ICI makes it very much clear that all precautions will be taken. You don't need to care about anything. All precautions will be taken on 100% level regarding your safety, your hand sanitizer, mask, everything will be provided. Okay, I'm not sure about the PPE kit, but yeah, everything they are trying to do. Okay, next thing, they are making it very, very clear to you, in case you decide that you don't want to opt out for it, then you can't. They are not saying that exams will be conducted definitely. They are saying that it will be intimated in the month of July. Okay, so they are telling you, in case the exams will be conducted, then this will be clear cut intimated in the month of July. So right now you are giving your opinion, that you are giving your justification towards you want to go for the exams or not. That's it. Okay, they will tell you the exams will be exactly conducted or not in the month of July. Fine. In case it is decided, okay, in case it's been decided of the month of July that the exams can't be conducted, okay, so in that case those students will be accommodated to November 2020. Okay, in case the exams can't be conducted, then they will be definitely accommodated to the month of November 2020. Now, for those students who decide that they want to go for the exams, then they can go for exam center facility that is being made available to them. Okay, exam center facility will be made, exam center change facility will be made available to them. They can go and change the exam center. Now, for those students who decide that they want to opt out, they don't want to go for the exams in the month of July, then there is some certain relaxation. Exam fees plus the exemptions. Okay, exam fees plus the exemptions will be carried forward to November 2020 cycle. That is, your exemptions won't be lapsed, your exam fees won't be lapsed. And May 2020 will be considered to be cancelled or not counted. It won't be even counted. For example, you were supposed to give your first attempt in the month of May. May 2020 going to be your first attempt. Okay, you couldn't go for the exam, so you decided to opt out and give your exam in the month of November. So November won't be counted as your second will not be counted as your second attempt. It will be counted as your first attempt only. Okay, now for the exam fees, for which the students are really worried, they are not able to understand. See, I have decided to clarify the situation best as possible. If you have paid for single group, for July attempt, and in the month of November you still decide that you want to go for single group, then you are not supposed to pay any fee. Okay, you paid for single group, now again you want to attempt single group, you are not supposed to pay any fee. In case you paid single group fee and now you decide that you want to go for both groups, so you don't have to pay the fees of both groups. You have to pay just the differential fees, the difference fees or the additional fees of taking the second group. Okay, the exact fees amount is not being told in the notification, but ICI will make it open very soon. Next, this is a breaking news for all those IPCC students in the old scheme. May 20 was your last attempt and November 20 there was no option available earlier, but now after May 20, November 2020 will be the last attempt of CIPCC old. Okay, only for CIPCC old this notification has come. So the last attempt will not be your May 2020, rather it will be November 2020. In case you opt out, so you don't need to worry that you will have to go for new scheme. Okay, there's no need to worry about. All you have to do is prepare for your old scheme for November attempt if you want to opt out. Now this is a proper procedure for opting out. Declaration, you have to submit declaration form online. It'll be available on official website of ICAI. I'll be sharing the link soon. 17 June 2020, 11 the window will open and it will remain open till 20th June. Okay, 17 June to 20th June, that's the time frame. You have to make the decision within this time frame at the max possible. Next, whenever you will submit your exam, whenever you will submit this particular opt-out form, your attempt will be shifted from May to November. Automatically it will be shifted. Okay, and the most important thing, you can't reverse it. It is final. It is final. It can't be changed. Okay, I hope the notification was very much clear. Thanks for watching the video.